Hey friends, what's glowing on? It's Sandy from Two Fat Birds Creative. We're doing this moon mold and we're making it glow. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this crafting session with me. Welcome friends, welcome new friends. We've got glow powders. I got TechGlow powder. I've got glow in the dark from Diankapours. I've got a photochromatic glow powder from Diankapours. We've got ghost pigments from eye candy and others. So let's get into it. All right, so we are opening up this ghost powder. It's got a gold shimmer to it, a white and shimmer of gold from eye candy, and that's kind of the base of the whole moon here. I've got several little cups here, and I'm mixing that glow tech with the ghost powder. And up in that left corner, as I'm showing you, is a switch plate, and we're going to be doing that one too. Here we have Cosmic Blast, a glitter mix from Michelle's Sparkling Creations, and a little bit of Unicorn Art Crust Crystal that we are also going to be adding. And we are just doing a little tiny amount because a little tiny amount goes a long way. All right, our resin is ready. I had put it through the debubbler, so it's almost completely bubble free, except for some small little tiny ones, and that's okay. Mixing it in there with our little glitter mix first, and then grabbing some of this gold. I thought I would use this gold color in the star. It's not branded. I don't know where I got it as an extra with an order of some sort, so sorry I can't tell you who made that one. And then just adding it in and filling up my cups here, just a little here, a little there, with the glow powder mixtures. And then that's that ghost powder gold with the glow powder, and the other two are the Diankapours glow powders. We're just going to mix those up. And because I think it's pretty, we're going to show you the little mix here of the Cosmic Blast. We are going to add a little bit more to that because it looks a little bit light in material there. So we will add some more into that cup. That's what I'm looking at there. And then we'll just go ahead and continue mixing these up. Now I do go ahead and I grab the Let's Resin Glow Powder in yellow and decided to add some of this into that gold. Not sure if it'll make any difference at all. And I don't have it open because I've never used it before. So I'll get that open and I'll add some more in. Give it a mix. Now, because I want that glitter a little bit more suspended, I decided to add a little bit of the Elmer's PVA clear glue. You can also use white. It's okay. It's not going to change the color on you or anything. I'm just trying to get one tiny little drip in there. And I decided to put it on the side because I could not get it to fall out of the container. Anyway, so just mix this up. It makes it thicker, it makes it gloopier, a little bit of a snotty consistency, just to thicken it so some of that glitter will actually, suspend throughout the piece. Now this one right here, this glow powder, it did take a little bit more to get it a little more blended, shall we say, than the other ones. You can see a lot of it, little bits of floating mica. So I do come back to it and I give it a stir several other times. So I'm grabbing here my gloopy glitter. Again, Cosmic Blast, kind of just going around. No rhyme or reason, just placing it wherever I feel like it. And then I decided, well, let's go ahead and make sure I get it along all of these little edges here. And so that's what I do. I was trying to get maybe some little star pattern, I guess, on the star, but I don't know that it really did that. So that was for naught. But I do try to go back and get some along all of the edges themselves. Next, we are going for that gold ghost powder. Give it another little stir and decide, nope, I want the actual gold. This is the one we're going to do for the star, and that ghost gold we are doing for the moon. So I am just trying to make sure I can get them each to stay in their separate spaces. And if you see, my mold was a little damaged during shipping as well, so I'll need to eventually try to fix that up. I guess put it in boiling water and get it out, or put it in a freezer and let water freeze in it. One or the other will do. I'm grabbing some of that glow powder. I think this is the photochromatic one. Or excuse me, this is the regular UV. Not UV. Geez, I can't speak. Regular glow powder. Just putting it in various places. And now this is the photochromatic one. This is with UV light. It will glow. Changes from that white color to a blue. Both these glow powders from Diankapours are a blue glow. Different color blues though. Now we'll take some of that ghost gold and some more, I guess, and drizzle. I didn't want it solid opaque. I just wanted some patterns on here with the various glow powders. I decided I want a little bit more. Put a little dollop there in the star. And top that off with some more of that very much radiant gold. The gold. Grab some more of the other gold powder. And this is just what I keep doing, going back and forth with our various color combinations. We'll put you on a fast forward ride as we glow through the universe and continue filling the sky up. Now we're going to start working on our switch plate here. And I actually do use this in my room, my bedroom, because our switch plate was cracked. So I thought, well, why not just make my own? So we got that gold there, and I'm laying it down, just kind of trying to do a little diagonal little action there. I don't know why, just felt natural. So we got the gold down, and we're going to grab, again, just putting down our various glow powders all around this little mold. So stick around, because we're going to demold in just a moment. And now I'm going in with that little bit of glitter I have left, just scraping whatever I could off of there. Not just topping off the rest of the mold. Oh, adding a little bit more glitter with the glitter, resin with the glitter, and then just topping it off. It is demold times, my friends. Never mind that little froggy there down on the bottom. You'll see him in a separate video. He was made with the leftover resin that I had sitting off to the side. But let's go ahead and demold our moon and star. Again, you can see my mold got a little squished in delivery from Temu. This mold came from Temu. And I'll have to, again, try to figure out how to get it fixed. Probably boiling water or the freezing method. But let's loosen it up around all the edges and get that suction released. Push out those little areas there. Try to get that out. Gets a little secure in there, which is good. You don't want your resin flowing all over after you've poured it. That would be bad. So just pop these little bits out. Boom! There we go. And there is our tray. Let's bring it up to get a closer look so we can see the glitter. That's lovely. Now the top of the tray, that is fine in shape. It's just the bottom edge on that corner that got smushed. Let's go ahead and get this little piece there all straightened out. Again, I'm just trying to make sure that the top part of it is good, which it is. The top part's completely fine and not undone. And now I'm just going to take our little UV light here. You can see some of those areas that are glowing. And we're just going to light it up. And then we're going to turn the lights off after just a second more. There we go. Look at her glow. Now let's bring it down, or bring it up for a closer look. So you see that glitter that is down in there, and then you can see the different colors of the glow powders, the yellow powder, the more greeny color powder, the blue powders, all in there. Again, I'm just trying to fiddle with that squished edge. But next, let's go ahead and get our light switch demolded. All right, here is our switch. It is still a little bendy, as you can see. Now that Cosmic Blast glitter, it does have stars and moons in it, as well as just different colors of glitter. But there is our light plate. Getting that UV light out, getting it to charge up, and we'll take a look at what it looks like in the dark. And here it is, my friends, in the dark, all lit up. We've got the yellow, we've got the green, we've got the blues. I think she's pretty awesome looking. Kind of looks like the Earth from space. Sorry about that big flash of light there. But I think she's pretty cool looking just by the daylight as well. So friends, thank you. Thank you for watching my video with me today. And if you are a subscriber, I thank you as well. And if you're not a subscriber, think about it. It is absolutely free for you and costs you nothing at all, but it helps my channel out greatly. We're going to go ahead and try and demold this little trinket tray. So these last little pieces here, they were 70s color inspired for a friend. And this trinket tray was the leftover bits that I had from that Froggo over there. So again, thank you all. Thank you to my members. I appreciate you greatly. You are thebomb.com. And with that, stay tuned for the beauty shots. Check out any discount codes that I have below to save you some money. And with that, I'll check you guys later. You have a great one and be kind to one another. Hope everybody stays safe, healthy, and happy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.